Hope you enjoy it.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hakim bin Muhammad Khalil, and my college number is PB201009, and I am from class 2 Mawardi. So today I'm gonna talk about TikTok. Okay, so our main topic is maintenance and continuity of life. So today I would like to sharing with everyone about what is balanced diet. Balanced diet is a diet consisting of a variety of different types of food and providing adequate amounts of the nutrients necessary for good health. So today I'm gonna interview some people and ask about how they maintain a healthy lifestyle.
Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Khalil. I am 43 years old, working as a lecturer. My weight is about 106 kg and my height is 173 cm.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatima. I am 44 years old. I am working as an executive and a housewife. My weight is 49 kg and my height is 154 cm.
So about a balanced diet. A balanced diet for me is consist of three major parts, which are carbohydrate, vitamin and protein.
A balanced diet is a diet consisting of adequate amounts of all the necessary nutrients recommended for healthy growth and efficient daily activities and functions.
So I keep my body stay healthy with gardening every morning, and also wash the car, wash the motorbike, my motorbike, and also jogging for a while. That's all my activities every day.
I keep my body stay healthy by exercising every morning, doing housework or cycling on the weekends.
Okay, for breakfast, I would like to eat nasi lemak with Nescafe. Sometimes, when I boring, I eat roti canai. Actually, my favorite food in breakfast is nasi dagang. For lunch, I eat nasi kandar. Nasi kandar actually is my favorite food. And for dinner, I love to eat nasi goreng ikan masin, small portion.
Okay, so for breakfast, I want to enjoy fried noodles or a sandwich. During lunch, I like to eat nasi Arab, and for dinner, I like to eat tom yum. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Bye.